what are some of the benefits, let's discuss, of starting your juice business from home? It can be, now not always, it can be less expensive in terms of startup cost. Now, there are some things that you need to be aware of when it comes to doing this in a way that is compliant. Because I know a lot of people who start these businesses are not in compliance, and I'm not saying that from a place of judgment. It's just a place of understanding what the environment is that you're in and understand the implications and what that might lead to in terms of risk, benefit, and so forth. But if you're going to do it in a way that's in compliance with the health department, first you have to check in with them to see what they require, because every state, every city has different requirements. But more likely than not, if it is an opportunity for you, you are going to have to modify your kitchen, or maybe you're going to have to retrofit your garage, or you're going to have some space where you are in compliance with the health department, where you've got washable surfaces everywhere, you've got proper storage, depending on how much volume you're predicting on doing. You've got sinks to clean things, so on and so forth, right? You have to be in compliance with the health department.